Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. So, it is another day, and I did another weigh-in. I'm liking the way things are going. It's really explaining a lot to me. So, I stepped on the scale today. I left the numbers at home. I'm on my way to work, PS, and I'll post this after work. But I stepped on the scale again today, and I was 317.4. So that's 1.2 pounds less than yesterday, but still 3.2 pounds from where I was Sunday morning. So this has really been kind of an eye-opener. I've said it the past 2 days, but realizing that my Sundays really set up the whole week, where I'm spending the rest of the week just losing what I gained on the weekend. It's kind of an eye-opener. I'm really excited to see how things go next week when I behave better, for lack of a better word. I don't like talking negative or positive, for that matter, about food choices. It can, just like I don't like calling certain foods bad foods. They might not be as healthy, they might not be whatever, but associating that word bad with them or negative terms with them, it changes your perspective on them. And also, we all like to be a little bit bad, so it kind of makes you want them a little bit more, versus if you just keep food neutral. And especially for me, it's more the portions. But that ultimately anything, it really has to do with the portions. The food itself is not good or bad. It doesn't act evil. It doesn't act good. It's food. It's inanimate. It's what we do with it that's the issue. So I don't like to associate that terminology with food. So, but either way, like on next Sunday, when I actually stay within my points, and it's still going to be more, so I still expect to see some kind of tiny gain after Sunday, because I still will have my daily points and my weekly points on that day, but it just won't be to the extreme of what I normally do. And then I'm going to experiment more from there, see how that goes. But either way, I'm happy so far today that the number is slowly going down. It does kind of make me nervous that it is Wednesday already, and I'm still 3.2 pounds away from where I was last Sunday morning. So it really makes me think and realize what's been going on, but also it's kind of making me nervous. I'm like, can I lose? Like, yes, yesterday I lost 4 pounds, but that's because I don't believe Monday was full-on food and full-on fat weight. Today I lost another. So if I keep that up, today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So at the rate I'm going, if I lose at least a pound a day, I can get below, but barely below where I was last Sunday, because I have 3.2 pounds to go for that. So that's my plan. That's what I'm going to do. And yesterday, just for the heck of it, let's go over my day. Yesterday was a good day overall. I had a friend over. I was coloring his hair, and so he brought Chipotle, but I knew that in advance. So he asked what I wanted. I went to their website. I tracked it. That was a little bit complicated because I track bites. They're a little slow sometimes on updating their database. So luckily, the Chipotle's website lists the calories, but most of the items I was adding was like 10 calories off, which ultimately 10 calories here or there isn't that big of a deal, but it can affect when you're looking into points. So I did have to edit and update all of that when I was planning it, but I was able to plan it, and I ended up having 17 points. I got a burrito bowl, so no wrap, but I got the brown rice, I got some chili lime salsa, some guacamole, some sour cream, some cheese, and I did their I forgot what they're called, the plant-based protein, whatever that's called, fajitas, I forgot what it is, but either way, if you know it, you know what I'm talking about. But so it was really filling, and 17 points, and I get 60 something, so it works. And so it was good. And I did like track that in the morning and then had to eat the rest of the day knowing that that was going to be happening. And I'll admit I did go a little bit over my points last night because he came over at 6, and typically I don't like to eat that early because it's just early for me, and I stay up until, you know, at least 11, maybe 12, so I end up getting hungry again. So I did go just a little bit over my daily points, but not much, so nothing worth freaking out about. And obviously, you know, the scale reflected another, you know, loss today, so it's working. And then today I'm behaving. I made a spaghetti squash yesterday, and so I'm bringing the other half with me to work, and I'm just putting salsa and chicken on it, and I'm actually looking forward to it. Like, I love spaghetti squash. And for dinner, I haven't fully decided yet. I'm trying not to spend money, so something that I have around the house. I might make rice. I might do like a stir-fry type of thing. We'll see. And tomorrow I'm looking forward to, because I'm gonna be going over to my stepmom's house, well, my dad's house, my stepmom's house, to be recording the Tuesday tag video with my stepmom, and she said we're gonna eat. So I'm curious to see what we're gonna make. And luckily though, I'm going there at like 1, so that's early enough that if it is something higher in points, I can tweak the rest of the day. Because typically, a lot of times, like when I'm eating today, I'm not going to eat until about 1 o'clock, because I eat basically when I get to work, and I'm on my way to do DoorDash first, and then I will be doing the salon after. Excuse me. Now I gotta sanitize my hands. But yeah, but also tomorrow night there is an event at a bar. We stay on the patio, we stay, you know, masks and all that jazz. And so I'm debating if I'm going to have a drink or not. I'm not, you know me, I'm not a big drinker. So maybe I'll have one, because I also don't want to be in a bar and not support their business at all. Like, that's rude. But yeah, so tomorrow should be interesting. It should be fun. Yeah. So yeah, things are going well. And that's basically all I've got. So it's after work. I'm heading home. I might have messed up on points and calories today. And not in the typical way of having too much food, but not having enough. I am going to post a picture right here-ish. Am I pointing right? Okay. Right there, of what I had for lunch, the spaghetti squash and chicken and salsa. It was very, very good. Like, I loved it. But it was only 400 calories, 406 to be exact. And I forgot how many points it was, but basically I have 58 points left for the day. It is 7 o'clock at night, and I have 58 points left. So I'm going to try to figure out dinner. I believe what I'm going to do is rice and put some chicken in it, put some vegetables in it, and then make a peanut sauce. But instead of what I typically do, make a peanut sauce with PB2, I'm going to make it with actual peanut butter, because I know like 2 tablespoons of it's 5 points. Or 2 teaspoons, whatever it is. I'll do the math. I'll post right here how many points I ended up with for the day, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, normally I have a little bit bigger lunch and then dinner. I typically only eat the 2 meals and then maybe a snack later in the day. I don't really have a bunch of snack foods. Well, actually, nutstop.com sent me a bucket load. I'm going to have a whole video on that. I'm sure you guys seen some of the other weight loss YouTubers have posted them and gotten reviews, posted reviews on them, but they sent me a bunch of stuff. I'm sugar-free gummy bears, sun-dried tomatoes, all kinds of stuff. So I might get a little bit creative with that, or just peanuts. Maybe I'll put some real peanuts in it, since I have some real peanuts. We'll see. Maybe I'll put a picture up here, but at the very least I'll put where I ended on my calories and points, because I've never really done that, and I'm kind of curious about doing a what I eat in the day video. I need to do one of them officially soon. But yeah, so that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you tomorrow for doing the tag video with the monster I created, Donna, whose channel I believe we're deciding is going to be named A Dose of Donna. So, see you then.